Myself, Dr. R. Sanap, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Boravke College, Rampur. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the evaluation of crude drugs. Actually, it is a part of syllabus of TY BSc Botany, paper 4th, that is BO 344, and title of the paper is The Medicinal and Economic Botany. So in this topic, that is evaluation of crude drugs. So here, these crude drugs, they get adulterated by different ways. This adulteration is carried out purposely for making the fraud, or maybe by accidentally it takes place, sometimes to increase the quantity and to earn the money. These crude drugs, they are adulterated, and thus this drug adulteration, it is evaluated by different ways to confirm the quality and purity. Here the drug evaluation, it is very essential, and this drug evaluation, it is carried out by different methods, like the morphological evaluation of crude drugs, second is microscopic evaluation of crude drugs, third one is the physical evaluation, fourth one is the chemical evaluation, and fifth one is the biological evaluation of crude drugs. So thus here, this drug evaluation is carried out by different ways. Sometimes on the basis of the organ, that is on the basis of organoleptic, that is morphological characters of the crude drugs, the drug evaluation is carried out. Sometimes by observing it under the microscope, different parameters they are observed. And under the microscopic observation, we can determine the purity or adulteration of the crude drug. Physical evaluation, it is also carried out. Sometimes the chemical, by using the different types of chemical tests, the drug evaluation is carried out. And sometimes biological assays, they are also used for determining the purity of the crude drug. Today, I am going to talk on the chemical evaluation of crude drugs. Chemical evaluation of crude drugs. So in this chemical evaluation, different chemical tests and different types of the chemical assays, these are used for the evaluation of the crude drugs. So as the name indicates, the different types of chemical tests and assays, they are applied or they are used to evaluate the crude drugs and to confirm its purity and quality. So in this chemical test, the isolation, then purification, and its identification of the active constituents of the crude drugs are carried out by taking or by applying the different types of the chemical tests. And thus the evaluation of that crude drug is carried out. Firstly, that crude drug, they are isolated. by taking the different types of the chemical tests. Its purification is carried out, so that crude drugs, it is pure crude drug, they are isolated, and then later on its identification is done. And all these processes, they are carried out by the different types of tests, and it is very important to determine its chemical constituents or the active principles. So thus here, by applying these different types of processes, these chemical tests, they are carried out for the evaluation. So in the quantitative analysis, of the crude drug, so this quantitative tests, they are carried out. So it is very important for the determination of the drug adulteration. So here in this quantitative test, so they are very important to determine the acid value, then saponification value. So for determining these different values, the quantitative analysis or the quantitative tests of the crude drugs are carried out and its evaluation is performed. In qualitative analysis or the qualitative test, so as the name indicates, so it is very important for the determination of the drug adulteration. Determination of the drug adulteration, the qualitative tests, they are carried out. So while the analysis, qualitative analysis of the crude drug, so during that process it may be applied for the single constituent or active principle, or maybe used for the group of constituents, group of the chemical contents or chemical compositions. This qualitative analysis is carried out. So generally, when this in the crude drugs, it may be from the plant origin or animal or mineral origin. So in that crude drug, there are different types of drugs are present. And when we are going to determine the drug evaluation, whether it is adulterated or whether it is pure, and during this qualitative analysis, we may apply it for the single active principle or active constituent, or sometimes we know that in a single crude drug many chemical constituents or active principles are present, and this test they are also applied for the group of active principles or the chemical constituents. So thus here in this chemical evaluation of crude drugs, they may be evaluated on the basis of the quantitative test or maybe by the qualitative test. Then second is the biological evaluation of crude drugs. So in this biological evaluation of crude drugs, as the name indicates, estimation of potency of the crude drug for its preparation is done by the means of its effect on living organisms. And these living organisms which are used, it may be the bacteria, they may be the fungi, maybe the living animal tissue, or sometimes the entire animal living organism. It may be used for the drug evaluation, and it is known as the bioassay method. It is known as bioassay method. So So thus here it is very important for the estimation of the potency of that crude drug, whether that crude drug it is pure or whether it is adulterated. Then it is by using the different types of organisms like microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, or different types of tissues or the animals they are used, and so thus here this evaluation is known as the bioassay method or known as the biological evaluation of the crude drugs. So here there are three methods of this biological evaluation. First is the toxic method, second is the symptomatic method, and the third one is the tissue method. So by applying these three methods, the toxic, symptomatic and the tissue method, we can determine the potency of that crude drugs. For the toxic and symptomatic methods, here the entire animals are used. It means the potency of that crude drug, it is applied on the animals, treated on the animals, and thus here by testing on the animals, the biological evaluation of the crude drug is carried out. And this tissue method, so that crude drug it is applied on the animal tissue. It is applied on the animal tissue and then its potency it is determined. So thus here drugs here subjected to the bioassay, particularly on the cardiac glycosides, natural pesticides and the different types of antibiotics. So these different types of drugs, they are used on the animals or maybe on the tissue of the animals, and its potency is determined. And thus here by using these living organisms, we can determine the potency or the its purity applying on the animals or the tissues of the animals. And so thus here as the biological organism, they are used for determining the evaluation of the crude drugs, whether it is pure or whether it is adulterated. So this evaluation is called as the biological evaluation of the crude drugs. So thus here this is about the chemical and the biological or this biological evaluation of the crude drug, which is also called as the bioassay method. So thus here I am going to conclude here. Thank you very much.